What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenyatta here. I wanted to come in and show you guys really quickly how I locksmith my own locks. As you can see, I'm retwisting my hair, doing basic 2-strand twists, and I will be adding beads to the end. As you can see, I've added some product, combed my root a little, and now I'm moving right into doing my retwist. As you guys know, if not, my locks twist to the right, and that's what you see me doing here, just twisting my root. Once I twist my root, as you can see, I have some frizz here on my locks from new growth or what have you, and I want to get rid of that frizz, so I'm going to be using the locksmithing method to integrate the loose hairs into the lock. So I'll be sliding and rolling. Classic technique of locksmithing: slide, roll, slide, roll, slide, roll, slide, roll, slide, roll, slide, roll. And basically that's what I'm doing. Okay, sliding my finger and rolling the hair into the lock. The natural curl texture of your hair will integrate very easily into the lock. So that's what the purpose of sliding and rolling that hair into the lock. And I continue that technique all the way down the shaft of the lock until all of the hair is properly integrated into my lock. And voila, as you can see, the hair is integrated into the lock, and I do not have to worry about frizz anymore.